To make a very effective cough medicine, I grated one lemon. I'll finely grate it on the serrated edge of the grater, and this will give us a fine rind. And this releases all the natural oils. The rind will be put into this pot, and this has a very fine filter, or you can use any other kind of filter that's at hand. We will then juice the lemon, and we'll add some boiling water to the lemon peel, and then we'll add the honey, 2 large teaspoonfuls of honey to sweeten the mix, and then we'll add 10 drops of Lugol's iodine. This is 10%. You're more likely to get 5%, so you need twice as many drops. You'll need a container to put the cough medicine in. You'll need a dropper to measure out the drops of the iodine, and then you'll need and this is the magic ingredient. When the mixture's cooled down, this is some Blue Mountain gum eucalyptus oil. I make it myself, see my video online, and this is absolutely amazing. So when the mixture's cooled down, we'll be adding 4 to 5 drops of this, and each time you use it, you need to shake up the bottle with the cough medicine in, and this will make sure that the oil is mixed, the eucalyptus oil is mixed well, thoroughly. And what we use then is one of these baby medication adapters for the bottle, and that fits inside the bottle neck. And then we have the baby syringe, which is 5 ml. We use 5 ml of this for an adult dog, and that goes in there. That makes a seal, so you shake the bottle up, turn it upside down, and then draw off your 5 ml. No mess. And then that is squirted inside the dog's mouth. Dog seems to like it, so not a problem there. The iodine that we've added is a marvellous preservative, but it's also effective against respiratory problems. It attacks the bacteria that causes the pus and the mucus. The lemon rind contains natural oils which fight the bacteria again. The lemon juice, powerful, yet another powerful antiseptic. And the oil that we've used or made, the Blue Mountain gum, is absolutely incredible. It kills off all of the pathogens. So we've hit it from every conceivable angle. And let's not forget the honey, because the honey is another powerful antibacterial, antimicrobial. And although we've used it for sweetening, it's yet another effective attack on the mucus and the pathogens and the microbes that cause the problems. So I need to pour the boiling water through the lemon peel, the grated lemon peel. You can see, and you're supposed to use unwaxed lemons. I did two good teaspoonfuls of honey, and we've got the lemon skin, which we've extracted the oils, and we've added the juice of the lemon. And if we just, it's very sweet. Now what we'll add to this is the Lugol's iodine. Again, this I make myself, so if you look on my video channel, Andrew K. Fletcher, you'll find out how we make this. But you can purchase it, but you're more likely to get a 5% and this is a genuine 10%. And to this mix we'll add 10 drops. And this acts as a preservative for the cough medicine. So just give it a bit of a mix. I always use one of these bottles. This bottle contained surgical spirits. It's got a nice safe cap. So now we'll add this to the bottle, and then the magic ingredient is the Blue Mountain gum, and this is a eucalyptus oil. Again, I make this. Again, look on my video channel. Use a clean pipette for this. And to this we need to add 4 drops. It's very strong. Or maybe 5. We'll go 5. Now the important thing is, once you've added the oil, give it a good shake, and each time you use the medicine do the same, shake it again. Now to administer the medicine, these are the medicine applicators that actually, what these do is they enable you to fit a syringe to the bottle, and this is used for baby medication. So if you know anyone that's got a baby, they'll probably give you one of these, and a 5mm syringe. So again, shake it up, draw off your 5mm. Now this is 5mm is for an adult Bull Terrier. Now we'll go and find a willing participant. This is Ruby. Ruby has a cough. Hello, Rube. Good girl. What a good girl. Very easy to administer, and she doesn't seem to mind it.